The former CEO of Eskom, Brian Molefe, earns Masters of Law degree and has received praise from Floyd Shivambu. The chairperson of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party Finance Committee, Brian Molefe, has added an academic milestone to his distinguished career by earning a Master of Laws (LLM) degree. His achievement was acknowledged by the Umkhonto weSizwe Party Secretary General Floyd Shivambu, who took it to his X account to extend his congratulations and said, "Well done to the current chairperson of Umkhonto weSizwe Finance Committee and Member of Parliament, Commander Brian Molefe, at Brian MBM1 for being awarded the much-deserved LLM Master of Laws." He's the former excellent Chief Executive Officer of the Public Investment Corporation, Transnet and Eskom. With an allied Umkhonto weSizwe Party leadership, the future looks bright. Best wishes on the LLD. Molefe has now expanded his credentials into the legal sphere, signaling potential new directions in his career. His latest accomplishment has sparked discussions on his future contributions, particularly within the MK Party and South African governance. Congratulations are in order to Brian Molefe. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.